What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Nvidia drivers. So it's been a while since we posted in our YouTube channel because I've been busy with a lot of stuff, but we're back. We're gonna post more tutorials for you guys and we will help you guys with any issues you may face. So the first thing, click on the link below this video in the bio, and then you're gonna see this page. So there is two methods to download the Nvidia drivers. The first one is automatically and the second one is manual. So I advise you guys to use the automatic one so you don't have to bother with choose the manual wrong drivers. So what I'm gonna be doing is, as you can see here, get automatic drivers updates. So I'm gonna click here, first thing, and then click download now. Once you download the Nvidia app, you're gonna be able to install your drivers in your laptop or your gaming laptop with no issues. So we're gonna open the exe Nvidia app. Since I do have the program, I'm gonna close it right now and open the one that is installed in my gaming laptop. And as you guys can see, click drivers and then install. After that, click yes and choose express installation, which is gonna make the upgrade of the new drivers for your Nvidia, for your GeForce drivers. And we're gonna wait a few minutes. So once the installation is done, you're gonna be good with the Nvidia drivers, and all you have to do is close the program and you can game or do whatever you want to do. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends. Don't forget to like the video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.